This is the Olympic Park. This is our first lift at the Olympic Park. Annoyingly, they put a metal thing there, blocking the yellow stained glass window.
Lift approaching platform level. Doors open.
Uh-oh, doors failed. There's glass.
Going down. Doors closing.
Is the door closed button works.
Going
I
down.
would like to turn the fan on. There's glass on that side. And this lift is actually not a very good lift. It's elite elevators. They're not very good.
Doors open.
And if we go up here, they could have put glass there. Maybe they were going due to construction work. The access to Puddingle Lane is through this labyrinth of walkways between blue hoardings. Here you have this nice Victorian engineering and the modern engineering. Also nice engineering, but doesn't really look as neat. You can also see the way in which these two metal bridges are actually extensions, and this is from when this line was 2-track when it was brand new. And these bridges are actually extensions. And here we are on top of the North London sewer, where you can see down to what they're doing at the Olympic Stadium. Not really looking very nice anymore. Used to look better. Sadly, I can't go in there because you need a hard hat to go in there. I don't have a hard hat. I like the Olympic Park because it's rather empty. Not many people come here. It used to be that all the bridges around the Olympic Park area looked like this, and for some reason the Olympic Development Committee felt the need to make the bridge look really ugly, to ruin the bridge with this thing. Now I'm going up the side of the Aquatic Centre. If you're wondering what that pattern is, it's the layout of the steps here. And unfortunately these entrances are alarmed fire exits, so I can't go in here. Just going on the lower level. And over here you have a Schindler MRL with its large motor. It uses US 85 and it's not working. This button's a bit weird. And it's just a lower level. It looks like it's so hot that maybe the lift's overheated. This is the Schindler MRL on the lower level. It's broken and it's not correctly aligned with the floor. They've added stupid ticket barriers. Anyway, this is what it looks like through here. If I zoom in a bit, you can see through the adverts for Speedo swimming costumes. That's the seating area for the swimming. Google Maps has a bridge here. It's obviously been removed. This bridge doesn't really have a purpose, but it's nice in an artistic way. And over there, those construction works haven't left a gap for pedestrians, even though you're allowed on both sides of that circular hoarding, that circular Harris fencing. They have not left a gap for people to go through. What were they thinking? Were they thinking they might get sued for disability discrimination or something? Stupid. Over there is Copperbox Arena, which has stupid ticket barriers. This is the velodrome. Annoyingly, this is an alarmed fire exit, so I'm going to have to go under it. The lift here has a nice Schindler MRL. It's really nice. Also, there's a candle and what looks like a cowboy hat. Weird. Over there is an unfinished housing estate on the site of the basketball arena. The signs say, "A tidy site is a safe site." However, this site is messy, with the remains of broken bricks and bottles of Lucozade lying about everywhere. Also, one of the doors to this site is secured only with spandex foam. The Athletes' Village has awesome Mitsubishi lifts. That's the up chime. Really nice lift. 1.5 meters per second. Half a story per second.
Level 9. Going down. Level 8.
That's the down chime.
Going down. Level 9.
Up.
Going down.
Awesome Mitsubishi, really nice design. And the air conditioning works well.
Level 2. Going down. Level 4. Going up. Level 1.
Nowhere near as boring as most American standard lift chimes. American specification.
Level 0.
This lift has a problem in
Going
that
up.
it forgets calls when it changes direction. And now to the DLR station, which has Ecodiscs. What's unusual about these lifts is that two of them are next to each other, but not a set. They are independent of each other. I personally do not like this, because it means you have to choose which lift to go in. They also have KSS 130 buttons. Now, a KSS 130 button looks almost identical to a Dewhurst M series button, and Cone have actually stopped making them because the Dewhurst buttons are cheaper and more versatile. They haven't cheaped out on these lifts. They have got proper lifts, Ecodiscs. What's weird, also one new change chime, and what's weird is that these lifts aren't set, they're two separate lifts. And also, these buttons might look like Dewhurst, but they're actually a line of buttons that Cone discontinued because it looked too similar to the cheaper and more customizable Dewhurst. This is the interval. This course is artistically designed to look like old castle portals on Victorian tunnels. And in this tunnel they might as well make this a footpath, because this tunnel is so wide, the walkways for the emergency exits are so wide, well not really wide, but they have so much space they might as well make it a public footpath. And if people need to leave in an emergency, then have gates all the way along. Now under an old Victorian bridge. I wonder what this bridge was built for. Into Stratford. I'm gonna skip to take a